This is the new Porsche Cayenne E-Hybrid. Available in both as an SUV and a sleeker coupe body style, the new E-Hybrid model adds a dose of electrification to the Cayenne range. So as a recap, the exterior receives subtle yet comprehensive changes. In fact, most of the car's body panels are new. You get revised front fenders, a new front fascia, standard adaptive matrix LED headlights, a full-width LED taillight design, along with a broad range of color and wheel options to make the Cayenne E-Hybrid truly yours. Now as for the interior, so here inside the Cayenne E-Hybrid, as you're gonna see, it's also been facelifted just like the exterior, but the changes here are much more noticeable because what you'll be greeted immediately is yung kanang gauges, which is now a 12.6-inch screen as opposed to having that center tachometer as you would see before in the pre-facelift Porsche. So yun nga lang, it's a sad thing na the analog gauge in the middle has been removed. It's one of their most distinct interior features. Pero yeah, as we go to the digital age, medyo nawawala na yung mga analog stuff inside the car. But apart from that, down below you have your buttons for the climate controls and the media settings, and then also a standard say 12.3-inch screen for the infotainment system, along with an optional passenger side display. And then, as you would expect in any Porsche, this interior is very lovely. Yung pintuan pa lang sobrang satisfying ng bagsak niya. Everything has a very robust feel inside the car. So apart from the aesthetics, what you also get here new in the Cayenne E-Hybrid is also a revised powertrain. So you now get a 3-liter V6 turbocharged engine and a new electric motor with a bigger battery for longer electric range. So the specs are down below as you're gonna see, and yeah, it's an impressive crossover SUV. And while it's slightly more expensive than an equivalent BMW X5, I think the price premium is worth it as what you're gonna get with the performance as well as the electrification that comes with being a plug-in hybrid. and then apart from the revised engine, the entire Cayenne range also gets a host of chassis upgrades, chief of which is the standard adaptive suspension. Called the Porsche Active Suspension Management or PASM, the adaptive suspension now comes with two-chamber technology, which basically means you now get two separate chambers for both rebound and compression. But if you want even better ride comfort along with improved handling flexibility, you can also spec the likewise improved adaptive air suspension. So as usual with Porsche, pricing is only available upon request. So if you're interested in this electrified Cayenne, be sure to head to your nearest Porsche or PGA Cars dealership. For more on Porsche along with other car reviews, do continue sticking with GoFlatOutPH.com.